Taco Bell. Welcome back to BonAppekit, where we make all of your dreams in the kitchen come true. Come along with us this week as I show you the best recipe for making these copycat Taco Bell classics. Today, I'm taking on the 7-layer burrito and the Burrito Supreme. Woohoo. Now that might sound like a lot to chew, and it is, but they're not that different if you know the ins and outs. You might be surprised, but all these Taco Bell recipes can be made with simple household ingredients. So get yourself some of all of this. Hey Carrie, how do burritos say grace?
I don't know.
Let us pray. Let us pray. Step 1 is to season this beef and Spanish this rice. A pat of butter. A pat of butter 2. The return of the butter. We've got this butter down here on medium heat. I am using some whole grain brown rice. Of course, you use the rice that you like. Or you can just go ahead and buy a pre-made Spanish rice. But for this experiment, I have some garlic powder, cayenne, chili powder, cumin, and white pepper. Just stir those in until this is hot. Pat of butter, pound of beef. I'm going to let that sit there and sizzle for a minute. And to that beef, we're going to add our taco spice. Same as we added to the Spanish rice. I see there's no reason to do it if you can't overdo it. So I've got my hot griddle here, a little butter down. I'm going to toast these tortillas on both sides. Can you hear that? The sizzling. Sizzling. Seriously, that was like 15 seconds down on that side. Let's go 15 seconds down on this side. I'm going to go ahead and kill the heat on this griddle. I just wanted to get those a little buttery and toasty. Hey, Carrie. Do you want to know something cool?
What?
Taco cat spelled backwards is taco cat.
Ah, that's true.
I think half the internet is based on that. Step 1, the 7-layer burrito. Layer 1 of the 7-layer burrito is baked beans. So we've got, oh, that's a good
refried.
Layer 1 of the 7-layer burrito is refried beans. Step 1 of the 7-layer burrito is Spanish rice. So we're going to put down. Step 1 is going to be this magical Mexican cheese blend. Step 1, wait. Layer 4 is some guacamole. Layer 5, fresh iceberg lettuce. Layer 6, fresh chopped tomato. Boy, that looks good. You can tell your mommy ate your vegetables, even though tomato is a fruit. And layer 7, this is where the magic happens. A squeezle of sour cream.
And you're gonna want to make sure.
We're squeezling. Comment below if you've ever had a burrito. Comment below if you've ever eaten at Taco Bell. Now the hard part here is fitting it all in. So let's do the fitting. We're gonna bring this up. Tuck that corner in. Oh, try to get the top tucked in and give that a rolling. Ta-da! Now the Burrito Supreme starts with your taco beef. You know, I'd like to put a little extra, but I also want to be able to roll it. The refried beans, Spanish rice, shredded cheese, chopped yellow onion, shredded lettuce, tomato, in the sour cream. To prep this, we're gonna fold in the sides, fold over the top, tuck that in, and give it a roll. Boom, Burrito Supreme. Now, don't forget, your Burrito Supreme comes with Taco Bell flavored hot sauce or flavored Taco Bell hot flavored taco. Anyway, we're gonna sauce that with a little Diablo as well. And remember, tattoos or it didn't happen. You wanna garnish your plate, because you know you're sophisticated. A little dollop guac. That's a measurement in the South, is a dollop. Just float some tomatoes on that. Look, these Taco Bell. Hey Carrie, what is a ghost's favorite food?
I don't know.
Burritos, of course. Burritos. Are we on?
Yeah.
Step 1, the burrito ending. Now that's a 7-layer burrito. I'm surprised at how easy it was to copy these Taco Bell recipes at home, and you'll be surprised too. As always, this has been BonAppekit. Feel free to like, subscribe, share us around, and God bless. Hey Carrie, how do burritos pray?
Don't know.
Hey Carrie, how do burritos pray? Wait. Hey Carrie, hey Carrie, how do burritos say grace?
I don't know.
Hey Carrie, hey Carrie, how do burritos say grace before dinner?
I don't know.
Likes to live dangerous. Are we on?
Yeah.
If these didn't look so good, I'd swear it was Taco Bell. I mean, that's what the inside of a burrito looks like. If you really we don't want to film that. I'm really surprised at how easy it was to copy these Taco Bell recipes at home. And I suggest you try it, because the last time I was at Taco Bell, they said it was going to be 30 minutes for drive-thru, and I said, I'll go to the grocery store.